Hello students, good day everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Shraddha Jadhav. Today we will start unit number 5, chapter number 13, Festivals of Different People, page number 56 to 57. Okay, so let's start. But before we start this lesson, so children, do you love all the festivals? Yes? Yes, everybody love festivals. So, different festivals are celebrated in our country. We enjoy celebrating all festivals and have lots of fun. Yes? So, we clean and decorate houses and surrounding areas for all the festivals. Yes, we wear new clothes and visit our friends and relatives. Yes, so first we will read and then we will understand. So, chapter number 13, Festivals of Different People. In India, we observe many different festivals. On festival days, people greet one another and spread joy and happiness. Now we will see first festival is Janmashtami. Janmashtami. People celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna by fasting and singing bhajans and songs. The day after this is celebrated as Dahi Handi. Youngsters form a human pyramid to break the handi to get the goodies inside. Okay, so students, do you know when we celebrate the Janmashtami? In the birth of Lord Krishna. Yes, on the birth of Lord Krishna, and this is the Lord Krishna, and that day everybody keep fast. Mostly the women keep fast and singing bhajans and song. Yes, singing songs and bhajans. So children, on this day, youngsters form a human pyramid to break the handi. So as you can see on this picture, they form a human pyramid, yes, to break handi. Okay. Now we will see festival Onam. Now Onam is an important festival of Kerala. It is a harvest festival celebrated in August or September. The doorway is decorated with floral designs called Pukkalam. They prepare a special dish called Payasam. Boat racing is the most important event of this festival. These boats are called Chundans or snake boats. Around temples, elephants are decorated and taken out in procession. So children, Onam, this is a Onam festival which is celebrated in the Kerala. Yes, so mostly this festival is celebrate for the harvest, as a harvest festival. Yes, so what is the meaning of harvest? Some festivals of India are harvest festival, which is celebrate farmer getting a good harvest from their field, means getting good crops from their field. It is their reward, means a things given in recognition of service, effort or achievement for a year, a long hard work. It is a day of thanksgiving. Yes. Now it is a harvest festival celebrated in August or September, means this festival comes in a year in the August month or it comes in the September month. Okay, and in this festival women are doing very different types of things. So they design floral designs called pukkulam. In the doorway they decorated with the flower design, that is called pukkulam. Yes, and they make many special dishes in this festival, and there is a one special dish which is called payasam. Now they have many events also in this festival. So they have a boat racing festival. It is called Chundans or snake boat. Yes, so here we have elephants are decorated and taken out in procession. So the designs are made on big golden plates, specially made for the elephant's forehead. As you can see, the elephant have the design plate on their forehead. Yes, these golden plates are big enough since they even continue till their trunk. Yes. Now Navroz, it is a New Year festival of the Parsis. They wear new clothes and visit the fire temple. They wish one another Saal Mubarak. So everybody understood, Navroz is the festival of Parsis. So this is a festival of Parsis. So in this festival they wear new clothes and visit their fire temple. So you can see here, this is a fire temple. So they worship in the fire temple, and this festival is for their happy New Year festival. This is a festival of New Year festival. So they wish one another Saal Mubarak. They greet people, near people and dear ones. Yes. Now we will see Durga Puja festival. This 10-day festival is widely celebrated in West Bengal. Idols of goddess Durga are set up in pandals and worshipped for 9 days. On the 10th day, the idols are immersed in rivers or lakes. In North India, the first 9 days of the festival is celebrated as Navratri. It is to remember Lord Ram's victory over Ravan. Effigies of the demon king Ravan are burnt on the 10th day, which is called Vijayadashmi or Dussehra. In southern and western India, the Navratri festival is devoted to goddess Amba. In western India, community dances called Ras Garba or Dandiya Ras are organized. So look at this picture, children. This is a Durga Puja festival which is celebrated in West Bengal for 10 days. So they worship for 10 days and they have fast. They keep fast for 9 days. Yes, and on the 10 days they immersed a goddess Durga in the river or lakes. In North India, the first 9 days of the festival is celebrated as a Navratri. Yes, and it is to remember Lord Ram victory over Ravan. So what they do, the bad man, means the demon king Ravan, are burned on the 10th day, which is called Vijayadashmi or Dussehra. Yes. Now in southern and western India, a Navratri festival is devoted to goddess Amba. Yes, it is celebrated as a goddess Amba in southern and western India. Okay, and the goddess Amba. So they worship of goddess Amba, and in this festival there have many celebration and events. So this community dances called Ras Garba, and also there is a Dandiya Ras are organized for this festival. Okay, now we will see festival of Diwali. Diwali is celebrated all over India. It is the festival of lights. People clean and decorate their houses with colorful lanterns and earthen lamps. Colorful rangolis are made at the entrance of houses. People wear new clothes and worship goddess Lakshmi. Sweets and gifts are exchanged and firecrackers are burst. Now listen carefully, children. We should be careful while bursting firecrackers. So everybody know Diwali festival. So Diwali is festival of lights and color. Diwali is celebrated all over the India. Yes, and this festival is for lights. It is festival of lights. Yes, and we decorate our house with the new things. So here we have earthen lamps. So we decorate our house with the earthen lamps and lanterns. Yes, in the Diwali we design some rangolis at our doorstep. Yes, so we we using many colors in the rangoli. So people worship goddess Lakshmi. In the Diwali, people worship in the goddess Lakshmi, and many people come together and visit to their relative house, friends or relative house, and they share sweets and gift there. Yes, and in the Diwali, many people also burst firecrackers. Yes, and they enjoy a lot in this festival. Okay, so thank you, children. I hope you understood today's topic. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.